Welcome to part 3 of the Apocalyptic City project. Today we are going to finish the walkways and the streets. This will be going to be faster than you think. First, we make sure that all walkways and street layers are together. Then we simply copy the whole thing. We use the transformation tool to mirror the layer. And voila, we have the left side finished. Almost. But we must change the other side a little bit, so we get a curtain irregularity. It's simple. Add some grass. Delete some trash and add some different things. Perfect. Now we create a new layer on the bottom and paint out the main street. Also, we add some asphalt textures with the chalk pastel. With a small brush size and a dark color, you can add some car tracks. Now we came to the interesting part. The street markings. For this we make a new layer on top. And with the technical pen, a yellow color and the line tool, we are make the middle line of the main street. Use the fill tool to fill the lines. When you are finished, delete the cross streets out. Next, we make some crosswalks and a new layer for the ghosts. Just make a few rectangles under each other. And with the transformation tool, you can now place the crosswalks three-dimensional on the streets like this. Copy them for the other streets. and merge then all street markings together. And you can make some more street markings if you like this. Be creative, it's your own city. When you are finished, merge all markings together, and now we make them look used. Use this texture brush and the transparent color. Very important, the color must be transparent. And last but not least, we destroy the road like in the other parts. Wonderful, now we are finished with the streets and the walkways. Looks not bad at all. I hope you stay tuned for the next parts. Next time we make the first building, so stay tuned.